Or tempting you with special low prices, but sometimes the price you pay isn't what's promised. Tonight, Call for Action's Keith King shows us how some stores making price mistakes and what you can do to protect yourself.
Ads boasting low or special prices tempt us to spend our hard-earned money, but as you're about to see, mistakes can happen when you're in the checkout line.
It's the retail giant that's been in hot water over pricing problems.
As anybody knows who has walked through a Walgreens store, you're just inundated with tags on the shelves.
The Missouri Attorney General just announced a lawsuit settlement against Walgreens for overcharging on some sale prices. An independent auditor will inspect each Missouri store for 3 years to stop these mistakes.
We have essentially put a babysitter on top of this company for the next 3 years.
Most people get really angry with it. They just get furious when those prices are wrong.
Tracy Phobes teaches consumers ways to save with her blog, The Penny Pinchin Mom. When she wrote about Walgreens, followers sounded off.
I can understand that, especially when a store's been known to be, exhibiting those practices.
But mistakes happen. The Kansas and Missouri Departments of Agriculture inspect stores annually, checking prices. Call for Action went through inspection reports over the past year and a half and found stores over and undercharging customers. The Target at 135th and State Line, 5 errors, all undercharges last December. Westlake Hardware at 9301 Santa Fe, 12 errors in May 2013, only 3 were overcharges. And in Wyandotte County, Kohl's last February, 19 pricing mistakes, 7 of those overcharges. For consumers, keeping prices straight can be confusing. Phobes' advice:
when you're shopping, use your phone and take a quick photo of the price that's on the store shelf. And then when you get done, compare your receipt to the photo.
And that's what we did, visiting 5 Walgreens and CVS stores across the metro, buying 2 items in each store, snapping a picture, then checking the receipt. Our results: 2 Walgreens undercharged us for 2 items, both stores in Kansas.
Unfortunately, as consumers, we have to be more cautious and aware when we shop.
Phobes recommends using a shopping list. Include what you want to buy plus the special advertised price. Then double check your receipt. If you find a mistake, take it to the store manager right away. For Call for Action, I'm Keith King.